Hi, I'm Ted Walker. Today I want to introduce a new production line that we've recently installed. Since about 2005, we've been building Model Bs on one production line. A couple years after that, we introduced the Model H, which was built on a different production line. And then last year we introduced the Model S, which we decided to build on the Model B line. We had three pretty different tractors being made on two different lines. And so we decided that we'd like to combine all three of those products onto one production line. So today we're gonna do a quick tour, show off this new line a little bit, and to do that, I'm gonna introduce you to Dan Hain, our process engineer, who is the mastermind behind this new production line.
So hi, I'm Dan. We'll give you a quick tour of our new production line, try to point out some of the new features that we've tried to add to improve some efficiencies. You'll see here today we're producing our S model tractors. Something a little bit different that we've done this time around is we're actually using two different stations for our different models today. So you'll see the S tractors on the first station, and as you go down the line, you'll actually see a few open stations. That's on purpose, so we could get some better efficiencies and smaller walk paths for the different tractors. So for example, the Model B tractor, when we're producing that, will actually be done on the third station, and this station will remain empty. And so that just gives our operators a lot shorter walk paths to their components. With adding 3 tractors to a production line, we had a challenge of really how to maintain all the components. And so you can kind of see some of our new racking here on the line. We've got some new signage to kind of help in some ways, but you'll notice that this is all just components for this tractor. And as we move down the line, we'll start to see kind of some make parts that we do. This is a component building bench that we use in the middle. And then as we get further down the line, we'll actually transition. So all the components you'll find in this area would be for actually a different model tractor. And the operators would move from that bench to this bench. So we don't use any more staffing. We do actually improve some efficiencies in other ways. As you can kind of see, some of the new shelving we put up really helps us with just being able to have higher density of components. As we get towards the end of the line, our components get larger, so we kind of open things up a little bit more. We actually have room for bodies and the final testing of the tractors themselves. And then just finally, kind of as a neat add-on, we did a safety improvement with our new tractor lift. We actually can drop tractors off the carts much more efficiently and safer than we were able to do in the past. So that kind of wraps up our new MB H&S line, but I hope you enjoy it.